What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and what I have in front of me is $5,000 worth of Sherpa equipment products. This is both for our 4Runner and our Tacoma project, but if you want anything from Sherpa, you can grab it from yodaexpedition.com. So let's go ahead and get into this, open everything up, and see what we got. All right, so right here we have a roof rack for our Tacoma project. This is the Grand Teton roof rack. We got a half fairing and full fairing, so we can show you it with and without a light bar. And then next to that we have the Crestone roof rack. That is for the 5th gen 4Runner. And again, we got the half and full fairing, so we can show you that with and without a light bar installed. And then all the way in the back over there, we have one of each of what I have here, but for stock for you guys in case you want to place an order, we have one here ready to ship out. Now behind me, I have a bunch of accessories. We'll get into that and I'll show you what we have. All right, so right here we have a bunch of accessories that is either going to mount onto the roof rack or onto these side mounts here for the 4Runner. So to start off, we have some traction board mounts, and these are for the window brackets, which we have right here. Here we have a Rotopax mount. This can go onto either this or onto the roof rack, and then we can mount either a gas can or something like that. Here we have another set of traction board mounts, but this is for the roof rack, unlike the other ones that were for the window mounts here. And then we have some awning mounts. These are the heavy duty ones, and we also have the regular ones here. All depends on the weight and size of your awning. Here we have some tent mounts. This is again for our roof rack. We have a bunch of stuff coming from Rome, including a tent and awning, so we can try all of this stuff out. And we're getting to some of the little stuff here. We have some light brackets. These are gonna be for the roof rack. This is just a hardware kit for mounting a Rotopax bracket to our window mount here. And this is the Sherpa Smiley. I drew the face on there, but this is just for putting straps and stuff on your roof rack, so this will be for that. And we have a quick fist bracket here. We actually still need to get some of the quick fist itself, but this will be for mounting different things onto the side of the roof rack. And then we have the case mounts here for Rome. Like I said, we have a bunch of stuff coming from Rome, including a 95-liter case. So this will be for mounting that onto the roof rack. And then we have the window mounts here, which is probably what I'm excited for the most. So let's go show it on the truck. All right, so once we have the Sherpa roof rack up on there, this will mount to that. And then we can mount some cool things to the side of this, like traction boards or Rotopax, but it definitely gives it a nice rugged look. All right, so really soon we're gonna be installing all of this stuff. We're gonna be making videos and showing you guys how to do that and the different accessories that you can mount to the roof racks and whatnot. So stay tuned and make sure to keep an eye out for those videos. If you want anything Sherpa, you can grab it at yodaexpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.